Hello guys, it's the finance bro here again. Um, and welcome inside of my screen. Now in today's video, we're going to be talking about the Gbpjpy pair. Actually, I have more on my watch list, but we are going to focus on only this Gbpjpy. And as you can see on my charts, I am bearish on this. So let's take it from the monthly time frame. Let me tell you the reason. Let me show you the reason I'm bearish. First of all, we have a pin bar on the monthly time frame. This one only is enough for me to sell this shit down, but I can't just sell because this is the monthly time frame. So if you want to place trade on such a huge time frame, your stop loss will be very wild. So as I've gotten this confirmation, this current candle has not closed yet. It's still, it's still on. It hasn't closed yet. So you can't make prediction. You can't anticipate based on an unclosed candle. So move over to the weekly time frame. Now on the weekly time frame, you can see rejection here, and this bearish Marubozu candle close below, engulfed all this consolidation. So my aim here is I'm waiting for this market. I'm waiting for the market to pull back. And as you can see, it's already pull back and touch this region. Probably give me another weekly candle confirmation here. Or if it doesn't, I will love to see a daily candle at this region, a daily bearish candle pattern forming here and break below this counter trend line. I'll be going for a sell, guys. So this is my thought process on Gbpjpy. For those of you who want to join me on the trade, keep an eye on this pair. And there's a trade I placed last week. Is it 2 weeks ago? I think so. Yeah. I placed the trade based on this. I played the trade. It's still a Gbpjpy. I saw this pattern forming first touch, second touch, third touch. That is triple top. As I saw this, and this is a weekly, daily time frame. As I saw it, I saw this rejection on this level. I was like, this might be a good entry. So I saw this engulfing pattern. This candle engulfed this. So I was like, at least we will get to this point. Even if you don't break below, but we'll get to this point. So I went over to the 4-hour time frame. And now on the 4-hour time frame, there's a kind of pattern I have, a falling knife strategy. I saw this pattern. That's daily candle. That very bearish candle is somewhere around this region. So I waited for a pullback. It pulled back and gave me another bearish candle on a 4-hour time frame. I was like, we are good to go. So I was waiting for this market to pull back and touch this region. So immediately touch this region. I entered for a sell here. Stop loss above here. This is it. Let me show you guys. This is where I entered for a sell. My stop loss came here. My first double target was here. Actually, when the market got here, I moved my stop loss to break even, but I did not bank profits. Normally, I'm supposed to bank profits, but I didn't because I felt like it would drop more. So I moved my stop loss to break even at this region. Then allowed the market get here. When the market got here, I banked some profit, like 50% of my profits. Moved my stop loss past break even. So that's how it is. And I was also anticipating for a sell at this region, but this market got triggered at night, around 4 a.m. I think so. So I was sleeping at that time, so I cannot blame myself for that. I have to sleep. Yeah. So I missed the opportunity. So this is all I have for you guys. So what I'm trying to say is, this region, let's wait for this market to pull back. As you can see, the weekly has given us a bearish candle, sweet bearish Marubozu, sweet bearish momentum candle, engulfing all this shit, engulfed all of them. So this is pulling back to test this region, and this region is a Fibonacci. Let's see. Crazy. Touching here will be a Fibonacci. When it touch here and break below here, guys, we are going for a sweet sell, smooth sell to the downside. So guys, wait for this market to get here. When it gets here, we enter for a sell. So that's my thought process on Gbpjpy, and this will probably take, like, let's give it 2 weeks. Some of you might say it takes time, whatever. Now, if this triggers, and before it gets here, you get like up to 3 to 4 entries and losing money, which one is better? So this trade is worth waiting for. Worth waiting for, absolutely. So let's calm down. Let's calm down and wait for this trade. Yeah. I also have on my watch list, I said I will not enter on another pair, but I just feel like GBP NZD. I'm also looking for a sell. As you can see, the monthly gave us this shit. Crazy candle. Only this one alone, see, only this one alone has already given me a direction. Bearish engulfs all these candles and and closed below a support level. This is crazy. Go back to the weekly series of bearish candles. Crazy. I'm waiting for a pullback to this region so I can enter for a sell to the downside. Let me go back to the daily time frame. The daily time frame, very good. I'm waiting for this market to get here. When it gets here and give me a bearish candle formation, I enter for a sell. So that's my thought process on GBP NZD. And let's see Gbpjpy. Gbpjpy is kind of confusing. Guys, whenever you see any pair, if you are confused on any pair, bro, don't be in a haste. Just allow it. It's better to leave the trade than to lose money. So yesterday, guys, I made a huge mistake. Huge mistake. I was supposed to be buying these markets. Look at this Fibonacci. I was supposed to be buying, but all my mind was on selling, sell because of this candle. So this candle, look at this market is moving up significantly. I didn't see it very well, actually. That's part of the game. Sometimes you get confused. It's normal. This market gave a nice double bottom. Only this one alone, double bottom, gave this Marubozu to the upside and also give a pin bar on a daily. Crazy. See, this is where I was supposed to enter, here at this region. And so this market has already hit first level target. This market is getting here. It's gone here. Wow, this market is getting here. It's already past 1:1 level, 1:1.5 already. Currently, it's getting here. Anyways, that's by the way. Sometimes it happens. So yeah, that's all for now, guys. That's all for now. So I'm looking at GBP USD for a sell. Don't look at the current candle, it's just pulling back. But sometimes the market does behave crazy. It can just break up from here, break above, as if this candle did not even exist. That's part of the market. That's part of the market. So that's part of the behaviors of the market. So we accept it the way it is. So guys, this thing keeps showing up. So guys, just calm down and wait for this setup, okay? You're going to take it to the downside. But if it pulls up, we sit on our hands and look for another pair to trade. So on that note, guys, I think we've come to the end of this video. Make sure you subscribe, hit the like button so to be recommended to people that needs it. And give me your comments below. Tell me what you think about today's analysis. I would love to see your comments. So see you guys in my subsequent video. Peace out.